I'm harvesting cassava. This is cassava tree, and the edible part which we have is at the bottom. So you uproot the whole tree, and it's easy because it's not that big. The bigger ones might be a little bit challenging. So I'm uprooting it. My husband is helping me here, and these are the edible roots which are covered with soil. So I'm going to wash it, put it in the water for some time, and then ready to consume. Skin is not edible of this root, so I have about 3 big size and 1 small size. I think I harvested it too early, but I have another one which I'm going to wait for some time to harvest it. This is the one I have. So you take the stems, cut it into small portion, and the stems you put it back in the soil to have the cassava tree again. You can put it vertical or horizontal, doesn't matter. So this is the skin I'm removing. The skin is not edible, and especially if you're baking it, don't put this with the skin on because it smokes. So I'm going to remove the skin, steam it, and then you can add red cayenne pepper, salt, or I make some sauce with red cayenne pepper powder, salt, and lemon juice, and steam this, or make French fries, like fries, and serve it. It's really tastes good. It's a good snack to have. And the cassava which I harvested, there is a bitterness to this, but this one have very light bitterness, because when I get it from outside I feel that strong bitterness, but this one has very light bitterness once I ate it. So do try planting cassava in your garden. It's very healthy and very easy to grow, very less maintenance plant. So this is I'm going to enjoy with my sauce.